What's going on, man? It's your boy WhipAddict. We are about to pull up on my music man Mike. Street Sin and Design. Time to put some beat in the 300. So I just got the word he pulled up with some of my components, and we about to see what I got. It's the first piece I needed to get. About 300 amp Pro 4 fans amplifier interface. What up, man?
What's going on, man? Yeah, there it is. Amp Pro. We got it. That's what I'm talking about. C41. He is the man.
Okay. Told me to get it, I got it.
We got it. We get ready to do it. I just want to, you got the trunk full of shit, man. They got that old Aces jacket.
We need this will be a great time to clean that bitch out, goddamn.
I got a couple prices 300 what's that? I just got to look for them. Not templates, but measurements.
Measurements, I mean.
But they're for like different speakers, like for 10s and one I had for like 112, shit like that. So I pulled them up.
112. The bill probably beating though, huh?
Yeah, 112. Hell no. I even told niggas, man, you're not gonna beat.
This is not gonna do it, bro. That's a thick ass car, y'all. So
112.
I'm gonna need a strong ass box.
He just hit me back. He just hit me back.
Did this?
Yeah, the doors where he put that light on the door.
Oh. Oh, you just did the doors.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then the cars in the back.
Oh yeah, that's just saying they came out nice.
Yeah, that shit came out real good. This motherfucker's gonna be a real beast when the top down. And at night,
yeah,
cruising, we gonna get it repainted back black, but now he want me to, I'm building the console to go in the back. And that one, man, he want me to put lights. We want to redo that shit, put lights on it. So he had more light. He was like, man, Mike, go ahead and light it up. So I'm already doing the kick cone. That's what's on the table.
Okay. Motor look clean too.
Yeah. He's supposed to money. He getting around to it.
The white guts with the white top. Yes, sir. Let's see what we got.
Yeah, we got that 1,000.4 getting ready to go down.
Timpano.
Yep. That's what's in here and in that car.
Nice. Let's see what
you gotta watch this thing so menacing, but they gotta put them in 2-3 boxes.
They got a double boxing going on. So we went AP audio pipe, cord stack, whatever that means. Both magnets. Woo.
Yeah. Woo. BB4.
Big.
Guaranteed to have a Chrysler beating. Go ahead and drop it on the floor. Damn. Both things. What they say that? What they call it? Full
stacker. That be big.
Yeah.
My big big, child. Let me see how big. God damn. I can't even really get this motherfucker up with one hand. Hold on. Oh shit, yeah. This bitch is heavy as fuck. God dang.
That ain't nothing. Wait till you get in the box.
Right.
Going all the way down.
Damn.
Yes, sir.
Could be jail gonna be enough.
Yes, sir.
Let's see.
You will see. Going all the way in.
So I don't know. We're gonna see. See when we're gonna get that done. Ain't really no rush. I'm just wanna have some beat. Yeah, yeah.
No, we don't do just some beat around here.
Well, yeah, definitely not with these speakers right here. Them bitches look like they gonna do a little more than beat.
Trying to push the back window in.
Trying to get some window flicks.
Get some window flex, some trunk action.
So yeah.
We might need to just go ahead and go on with that epicenter so we can do it with the old school. So matter of fact, if I do that, I'll build a box. And 30 hertz. Build a box 30 hertz. That way you can turn it on some new stuff. You can turn the epicenter on some new stuff, and then on old stuff you can turn the epicenter up. On oldest Reddit or some
music,
shit like that.
Old music be playing low.
It don't have bass in it like that.
Right, that even.
Take that shit, turn this shit up and do it.
I gotta see how that damn EQ gonna look in there. You be putting EQs in 300s?
Well, I mean, you can either do it like I did my homegirl. I just put it down up on the dash right there. So she but this right here, you can mount this anywhere. You can mount a plate under the dash, or you can mount it in the console. Some people take the whole console out and mount it inside the Western, but I don't see that because you got to open the arm, rest up, and do all that. That's too much. I'd rather try to mount somewhere I can get to it fast. But like I say, this same shit is on the EQ too. It's just a volume knob. You know what I'm saying? There's one in that truck right there, in his truck. Why you still got?
I know, right? I still got all this shit back there. This is a big ass chicken soup. Goddamn. Nigga was goddamn.
The chicken soup top fit on top of it.
That is a large goddamn.
We need that soup about 7 days.
Here we go, y'all. A little nice clean box for the back of the 300, man.
Yeah. I don't think the factory could have did it no better.
You hear him?
Factory could have done it no better.
Messing with some APs, 4 stacks.
4 stacks.
Test fitment gonna go on right now.
Are we cooking with grease? Are we cooking with
Alright, y'all.